Good morning, dear children. In previous class, we all had learnt about the shapes of the beak. Children, today in this class, we will learn the shapes of feet and claws of the bird. Children, different birds have different types of feet and claws, as you can see in this picture. Children, these feet and claws are suited to their living habits. Now, let us know what is the function of feet and claws. Children, first function of feet and claws is this feet help them to move and hop. Okay. Second function of the feet and claws is that it helps them to catch and eat food. Okay. And third function is they use their feet and claws to protect themselves from enemies. Okay. Children, now we can classify the birds according to their feet and claws. So let us learn about them. Children, first type of perching birds. Okay, here you can see sparrow and pigeon. These type of birds are known as perching birds. Here in this picture you can see they have 3 toes in front and 1 toes at the back. Children, they curl their toes around the branches so they do not fall while sitting and sleeping. And this is called perching, and the birds known as perching birds. Okay. Now, here you can see the picture of owl. Okay, so owl, eagle, hawk, this type of birds are known as birds of prey. Children, as you all know, they eat flesh, so they use their feet and claws to catch the prey. Children, their claws are very strong and sharp. These claws are very strong and sharp, and they are known as talons. Children, from this talon they tear the flesh. Okay. Now, third type of birds are known as climbing bird. Children, here you can see the picture of a parrot and woodpecker. These birds are known as climbing bird. Okay. Children, these birds have 4 claws, 2 claws upward and 2 claws downwards. Okay. Children, with the help of these claws, they climb up and hold on the tree. Okay. Now, fourth type of birds are swimming birds. Children, here you can see the picture of a duck. Duck and swan, they are known as swimming bird. Okay. And children, these birds have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. These 4 toes are joined by the skin, and this skin is known as webbed feet. Okay, 3 toes and 3 toes in front and 1 toes at the back. They are joined by the skin, and it is called webbed feet. Children, They use this webbed feet as a paddle to push water back while swimming. Okay, now next type of bird are known as scratching birds. Here you can see hen and cock. These birds are known as scratching birds. Children, these birds have 3 long toes in front and 1 short toes at the back. Each toes has a sharp horny claws that help them to scratch the ground to search seed, insects and grain. Okay, now the 6 type of birds are known as wading bird. Children, here you can see the picture of a wading bird. This is crane. Okay, and here you can see long leg and they have spread feet, spread toes. Okay, they have long leg and spread toes. Children, this long leg help them to walk in shallow water without getting wet, and spread out toes help them to walk on the ground. Children, hope you all have understood different types of feet and claws in different birds. So please do read the lesson and learn the difficult words. Okay, thank you and have a good day.